Secured. A word that ensures to make you feel assured. It not only stands for keeping you protected, it gives you the peace of mind and makes you feel supported. Imagine a space where security is seamless and peace of mind is given. Where security is not just a feature but convenience. Introducing the pinnacle of safety and innovation. Enhanced security and strength with keyless convenience. Powered by the AIDO Smart App. Meet the AIDO AML 657. Effortless access, stylish design. AIDO AML 552. Smart solutions for your connected door. AIDO AML 551. Safe passage to elevated living. AIDO AML 541. Secured home, peaceful mind. AIDO AML 455. Smart lock for smart space. AIDO AGL 559. Smart and secure glass door lock. In every moment, day and night, let peace of mind be your constant companion. Smart, secure, reliable. Experience security like never seen before.